Let us start 10th standard maths coordinate geometry. Next example, if a minus 5 comma 7, b minus 4 comma minus 5, c minus 1 comma minus 6 and d minus 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. A minus 5 comma 7, b minus 4 comma minus 5, c minus 1 comma minus 6 and d minus 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Minus 5 comma 7, minus 4 comma minus 5, c minus 1 comma minus 6, minus 4 comma 5. By joining B to D, we get two triangles ABD and BCD. Now the area of triangle ABD is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Half into x1 minus 5 y2 minus 5 y3 is ABD 5 plus x2 minus 4 y3 5 y1 7 plus x3 4 y1 7 y2 5. Half into minus 10 into 5 50 plus 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus plus 4 2 is 8 12 plus 4 12 into 4 48 50 plus 8 plus 48 106 by 2 53 square units. Also area of triangle BCD is equal to half into minus 4 6 minus 5 plus x2 minus 1 y3 5 y3 minus y1 plus 5 plus x3 4 plus 6. Half into minus 11 minus plus 44 10 minus 10 1 plus 4 44 minus 10 34 plus 4 38 by 2 19 square units. So the area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD 53 plus 19 72 square units. Next example, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertex is taken in order -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. Solution. Let the vertices of the quadrilateral be A -4, -2, B -3, -5, C 3, -2 and D 2, 3. A, B, C, D -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2, 2, 3. By joining B to D, we get two triangles. ABD and BCD. Now the area of triangle ABD is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y2 minus y1. ABD half x1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 3 plus x2 minus 3 y3 3 minus minus plus 2 x3 2 y2 minus 2 y1 minus minus plus 5. 8 4s are 32 5 15 plus 6 32 plus 6 38 plus 15 23 plus 23 by 2 square units. Now also the area of triangle BCD half into x1 BCD minus 3 y2 minus 2 y3 minus 3 plus x2 3 y3 3 y1 minus minus plus 5 x3 2 y2 minus 5 minus minus plus 2 half into 15 2 here y3 minus y1 BCD y1 minus 5 minus minus plus 5 8 3s are 24 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 minus 6 24 plus 15 39 minus 6 33 plus 33 by 2 square units. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD 23 by 2 plus 33 by 2 56 by 2 28 square unit. Next example, vertices of a rhombus are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. Find its area. Here given, let A 3, 0, B 4, 5, C minus 1, 4 and D minus 2, minus 1 are the vertices of a rhombus ABCD. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. We know that area of rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. Here diagonal ABCD is a rhombus. Diagonal length of diagonal AC using distance formula A 3, 0, B 4, 5, minus 1, 4, minus 2, minus 1. AC x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Length of diagonal AC is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 4, 16 plus 16. 16 here 4 root 2. Similarly diagonal BD, length of diagonal BD using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square minus 6 whole square 36 minus 6 36. Here 6 root 2. 6 root 2. Area, therefore area of rhombus ABCD is equal to half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. Half into 2, 2 6 are 12, root 2 whole square, 12 into 2, 24 square units. Next example, name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. First one, let A minus 1, minus 2, B 1, 0, C minus 1, 2 and D minus 3, 0 be the given points. Using distance formula, distance between the points A, B, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square, 1 plus 1 2, 2 square 4 plus 4, square root of 8 is 4 2s are 2 root 2. Similarly, the distance between the points BC, x2 minus x1 whole square, BC minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, minus 2 whole square plus 4 root 8, 4 2s are 2 root 2. CD, distance between the point C and D, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus 4. Root 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 root 2. AD, distance between the points AD, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus 2 square 4 root 8, 2 root 2. Diagonals AC minus 1 plus 1 whole square, 2 plus 2 whole square. Here minus 1 plus 1 0, 4 square 16, root 16 is 4. Similarly diagonal BD minus 3 minus 1 y2 minus y1 whole square 16 4. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and also AC is equal to BD, the four sides of the quadrilateral ABCD are equal and its diagonals are also equal. So we can write ABCD is a square. Next example, let A minus 3, 5, B 3, 1, C 0, 3 and D minus 1, minus 4 are the given points. Using distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 36 plus 16 root 52. Root 52, 13, 4s are 2 root 13. Similarly, the distance between the points BC, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 9 plus 4, root 13. CD, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here 1, 7 square 49, root 50. 25 into 2, 5 root 2. AD square root of minus 1 plus 3 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. 4 plus 9 square 81, root 85. Here it can be observed that all sides of this quadrilateral are of different lengths. Therefore, it will not have any specific figure. Third example, let the points 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3 and 1, 2 representing the vertices A, B, C and D of the given quadrilateral respectively. Using distance formula, AB x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 7 minus 4 3, 3 square is 9, 6 minus 5 1 root 10. BC. Distance between the points BC 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. 9 plus 3 square 9. CD. Distance between the point CD x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 minus 3 whole square 9 plus 1 root 10. AD x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AD y2 minus y1 whole square. Root 18. Diagonals AC BD x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 0 2 2 square 4 root 4 is 2. Here 1 minus 7 whole square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 square 36 4 16 52 13 4 za 2 root 13. Since AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, AC not equal to BD, therefore the given points are the vertices of a parallelogram.